Lost data on your Huawei phone? This video covers the 6 best Huawei data recovery tools to help you recover deleted files safely and easily. Part 1. Best Huawei Data Recovery Program MobiKin Doctor for Android. MobiKin Doctor for Android when Mac helps recover lost Huawei data caused by deletion, viruses, resets, or damage. It supports contacts, messages, call logs, photos, videos, music, and documents with a simple recovery process. Now, follow the steps below to use this Huawei data recovery tool to recover data from Huawei device. Step 1. Run the Huawei Data Recovery Program. Launch MobiKin Doctor for Android. Connect your Huawei via USB, enable USB debugging, and select Android Data Recovery Mode. Step 2. Scan Huawei data. Select the file types and click Next to scan your phone. Root your device if needed to find more lost data. Step 3. Recover Huawei data. Choose the files you need and click Recover to save them to your computer. Part 2. Huawei Data Recovery Tool Recoverit Data Recovery. Recoverit Data Recovery restores Huawei files lost from deletion, format, malware, or system issues. It supports photos, videos, audio, documents, and archives with 100 megabytes free photo recovery. Part 3. Huawei Data Recovery Software Android Data Recovery. Android Data Recovery restores Huawei contacts, call logs, WhatsApp, SMS, documents, photos, videos, and audio files from internal storage or SD cards. It also supports data backup to a computer. Part 4. Huawei File Recovery Utility Mobisaver for Android. Mobisaver for Android, the 6th tool to recover deleted or lost files from Android internal memory or SD card. You are allowed to choose to filter the files or select the data to filter during file scanning. Part 5. Restore lost data to Huawei from Backup. Huawei Backup. Huawei Backup enables Huawei users to easily make additional copies of their phone data, including contacts, SMS, call records, multimedia files, system settings, alarms, browser bookmarks, email accounts, calendar events, and so on. Part 6. Restore lost Huawei data from Backup. Google Photos. Google Photos lets you sync, backup, and restore photos and videos. It offers AI search, editing tools, and 15 gigabytes of free storage shared with Gmail and other Google services.